FPV drones, or first-person view drones, are unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with capabilities for a first-person perspective. External operators use specialized goggles to view the drone's surroundings from its perspective. These drones have been enhanced with technological advancements, including weaponry, transforming them into kamikaze-style units capable of precisely and effectively engaging enemy targets at high speeds. The footage reveals the precision of the drone's attack, which prompted Russian military personnel to hastily abandon the tank. Despite attempts to control it, the damaged tank was ultimately left behind, with Russian soldiers seeking cover in nearby wooded areas, wary of further strikes by Ukrainian forces. The T-90M, considered the pinnacle of Russian tank technology and the most advanced in their arsenal, showcased vulnerabilities despite its cope cage defense system. The T-90M, being the most technologically advanced main battle tank in Russia's arsenal, is a testament to their military might. It stands as the frontline armored powerhouse until the widely anticipated T-14 Armata enters full-scale deployment, which, to date, hasn't been part of the conflict in Ukraine. Minister of Strategic Industries, Oleksandr Kamyshin, highlighted through his official social media channels that the country is already producing over 50,000 FPV drones monthly, emphasizing plans to accelerate production rates further in the near future. Russia has lost dozens of artillery systems, armored protected vehicles, APVs, and tanks in a single day of fighting, according to Ukrainian officials. The latest report by the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 33 artillery systems, 31 APVs, and 19 tanks between Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Since the war began in February 2022, Kyiv has claimed Russia has lost a total of 5,177 tanks, 8,347 artillery systems, and 10,919 armored personnel vehicles. In the December 25th report shared on its Facebook page, the Ukraine Armed Forces also said Russia suffered 760 soldier casualties, 2 aircraft, and 2 anti-aircraft warfare systems. Kyiv has claimed Russia has suffered 353 950 soldier casualties, 329 aircraft, and 613 anti-aircraft warfare systems since the outbreak of the war. The investigation outlet Mediazona and BBC News Russian service said 39,424 Russian soldiers had been killed as of December 15th, although the death toll is likely significantly higher. Russian President Vladimir Putin is continuing to portray himself as a gracious leader who cares about the well-being of military personnel as the war continues to grind on. Kremlin journalist Pavel Zarubin published footage on December 24th of a December 19th ceremony at the Russian National Defense Management Center, where Putin spoke with Russian military personnel who said that they wanted to see their loved ones, but that their commanders had to give them leave, the Institute of the Study of War, ISW, said in its December 24th report. Putin responded, "Let them rest. The commander has already decided." The ISW said, Putin's seemingly spontaneous granting of personnel leave is an effort to portray himself as an involved wartime leader who responds to his troops' requests and rewards those who are loyal to him. But a video of a supposed Russian soldier showed there were tensions among the country's troops and its leaders. The soldier, who claimed to be filmed near Marinka just southwest of the eastern city of Donetsk, hit out at Putin, Russian Minister of Defense Sergei Shoigu, and questioned where the rest of the nation's army was. Russia's formidable defensive preparations have certainly worked. The New York Times reported in September that Ukraine had won back only around 90 square miles of territory in all of 2023. As the front freezes over, Zaluzhny has warned Kyiv's allies not to expect any beautiful breakthrough. Ukraine's push began on June 8th in two general directions. The main efforts were southern pushes into the Russian land bridge south of the Zaporizhzhia town of Orikhiv and the settlement of Velika Novosilka in Donetsk. Kyiv's forces also continued more gradual offensive efforts around the devastated Donetsk city of Bakhmut. The city was captured by Russian forces in May, but Ukrainian troops subsequently advanced around its southern and northern flanks. Initial success in all three areas gave way to glacial progress. Ukraine's armored columns slowed by minefields and mangled by Russian artillery, anti-tank weapons, and drones. Within days, as casualties mounted and images of burning Western vehicles spread around the world, Zaluzhny pivoted to smaller-scale attacks.
Дракон по готовности, второй огонь.
Бросай, бросай, бросай! Я своих пулемет!